Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the writing part. We will learn all about notice writing. We will understand what notice writing is all about. Some key points to remember while writing a notice, format of it and an example to make it clear. Now children, the question arises here, what is notice? So, what is notice? A notice is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Or we can say, a notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, a general instruction. They are put on the display board in schools or public places. Now, there are some key points that must be kept in mind while writing notice. So, these are the key points. First one, the ideal length of notice is 50 words, so only relevant points needs to be addressed. Second, present the notice in proper format. Third, try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Fourth, don't use personal pronouns like I and we. Fifth, the notice must be simple and concise and the tone must be impartial and formal. So these points must be kept in mind while writing any notice. Now these are the features of the notice. A notice is written within a box. Second, the name of the school or issuing authority is written on the top. Third, the word notice should be mentioned. Fourth, a precise title should be clearly given to indicate what the notice is about. Fifth, it must contain all the relevant information related to the subject including date, time, place and any other details if required. Sixth, on the lower left bottom corner of the notice, the name and the designation of the persons writing the notice must be written. Now let us look into the format of notice writing. You can see on the screen, this is the format of the notice. A rectangular box needs to be created when we are going to write the notice. In that box, in the top middle portion, the name of organization which is issuing the notice must be written. Then right below it, notice word next to be written. Then in the left hand side, write the date on which the notice is issued. Then below it, in the middle side, write the title of the notice. Then below it, the body of the notice comes. And after the completion of the body, signature, name and designation of underlying authority comes. So this is the format of notice writing. Now let's understand what should be there in the body of notice. Remember to answer the 5 W's while or any notice and you won't have problem while writing it. So the body of notice is here. First one, what? What is the notice about? The notice should clearly mention what is going to happen or what has already happened. Number 2, who? Who it is addressed to. This will be who the notice is addressed to. It means who all are supposed to adhere to the notice should be clearly mentioned to avoid confusion. Number 3, where? Where is the event? Is the notice for an event, then the location of such an event must be clearly written. Next, when? When is the event going to happen? This one is the time and date of an event or meeting. Number 5, what to do? The instructions are written related to the notice. Number 6, whom? Whom to contact or get in touch with. So final detail should be whom to contact or get in touch with. This mentions who the appropriate authority is to contact to. So these are the 6 points that must be present while writing any notice. Now let us look into an example to make it clear. Now here is an example by which we can understand the notice very well. You are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. So you have to write a notice for the school display board in this reference. Let us start the notice. So let us start the notice writing for the given topic. First thing first, let's draw a rectangular box in which we will be writing our content of notice. Then the name of the organization comes. Let's say ABC School Ahmedabad. Then we need write word notice just below the school name. Then we will write the date on which the notice is being issued. Let's say it's 10th January 2020. Then we will write the title of the notice. Here we will write annual day celebrations. After the title comes the main part of the notice, which is body. Here we can write in this way. This is to inform all the students that the school's annual day function will be held on 10th January 2020 from 11 am to 1 pm at school playground. Every student needs to collect their passes from their respective class teachers. Here you can see we have mentioned all the 6 points that we discussed regarding the body of the notice prior, like what is the notice about, who all are supposed to adhere to the notice, where the event is happening, when it is happening, instructions for students related to pass collection and whom they need to contact for passes. After the body is completed, sign, name and designation of the person writing the notice comes. Here I have given an assignment for you and you have to write a notice on this given topic. You are Sonam Gupta of class 6B. You have found a geometry box in the school library. Write a notice mentioning where, when and from whom the box can be collected.